equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Replacing the engine on your Yacht's Dyson SV22 can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, it can be a straightforward process. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, gather your tools. You will need a socket set, screwdrivers, a torque wrench, and a hoist for lifting the engine. Make sure you have a clean workspace to keep everything organized. Begin by disconnecting the battery. Safety first. Remove the negative terminal to prevent any electrical mishaps. Next, drain the fuel and coolant from the engine. This is crucial to avoid spills and ensure a clean working environment. Now, let's remove the engine cover. Use your screwdriver to take out the screws holding it in place. Keep these screws in a labeled container to avoid losing them. Once the cover is off, you'll have access to the engine. Next, disconnect all the wiring harnesses and hoses attached to the engine. Take your time with this step. It's important to remember where each connection goes. If you're unsure, take photos for reference. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your yacht. Once everything is disconnected, it's time to unbolt the engine from its mounts. Use your socket set to carefully remove the bolts. Keep track of the sizes and types of bolts, as you'll need them for the new engine. With the bolts removed, use the hoist to lift the engine out of the boat. Ensure you have a clear path to avoid any accidents. Once the old engine is out, take a moment to clean the engine bay. Remove any debris or old oil to prepare for the new engine installation. Now, it's time to install the new engine. Carefully lower it into the engine bay using the hoist. Align it with the mounts and secure it in place with the bolts you previously removed. Make sure to torque them to the manufacturer's specifications for safety. Reconnect all the wiring harnesses and hoses, ensuring everything is secure and in the correct position. This is where your earlier photos will come in handy. After everything is connected, refill the coolant and fuel. Check for any leaks before starting the engine. If you're feeling uncertain at any point, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have peace of mind. Finally, reconnect the battery and start the engine. Listen for any unusual sounds and check that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We offer a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the engine on your Yacht's Dyson SV22. Enjoy your time on the water. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.